Can you please share your screen?
Yes.
फॉर्मेट में जाइए फॉन्ट इसका साइज 22 कर दीजिए now write in double quotes digit 4 double quotes के बाद double equal to 4 just true or false
Will be it will be true, sir.
triple equal to करके तो क्या होगा
It will be false
by
because double equality checks only in the equality in the values irrespective of data types, where triple equality checks in the equality in values as well as in the data types.
what is the difference between pass by value and pass by reference?
Pass by value, pass by reference. All the primitive values. In function, when we pass a variable, we passed as a value mostly, like a number, string. We pass by value. When we passing non-primitives like object array, we passed as a reference.
So
So
what is the difference that happens?
so in pass by value, whatever changes done in the function will not reflect in the auto variable, but in case of pass by reference, the changes done inside the function will uh, also change the auto variable.
What is the closure? Write some sample code and show me.
So closure is a combination of function bundled together with reference to its surrounding state. Surrounding.
What is the
So
surrounding state called?
lexical environment,
Lexical scope. Chalo.
lexical scope.
Can you write a sample closure for me and show me how it is?
So inside I have a variable name. Function. Yeah,
What is
call
the arrow function? Write an arrow function to square a given number.
arrow function square, right? Square number.
A square a number.
Okay, square number. Yes.
What is the difference between var, let, and const?
So where is the functional scope and length const are the local scope. In hosting, uh, the where in where case the undefined is stored in undefined is allocated, and when we accessing the where we can access the where before its initialization, but we access it, it will throw a error that variable is not initialized. It's through error, but we cannot use let variable before its initialization. Let and const both. we cannot use before in this language.
Okay. What is a REST API?
REST API. API is used uh, to fetch the data or to send the data.
Please elaborate. What is the difference between get and post?
Get and post. Get to get the data from the server, and to post the data from our application to the server we use post.
You come again.
To fetch the data from the server we use get method, and to send the data from our application to the server we use post method.
What's a virtual DOM?
Well, virtual DOM is light representation of real DOM. It's have all the power except it cannot directly change the real DOM. So whenever there is change in component, first dipping algorithm is run and check what have been actually changed from the real DOM. The comparison is done between real DOM and virtual DOM, and only the changed component is re-rendered.
Okay, what is the difference between state and prop?
Well, uh, state state is in plain object which holds the information of a component which may change over life cycle of a component, where props is a way of passing data from parents to child. So
What is the React router?
React router is a standard JavaScript library for routing, for used for routing.
Does it help with single page application?
Well, single page application in single page application we mostly interact with the user and update the website. But if we have multiple pages and we have to go through those pages through links, then React Router is very helpful.
What is a use effect hook?
Well, use effect hook is used for handling the side effect in functional components like component did mount, component did update, and component unmount.
What is box model in CSS?
Well, like a rectangle box wrapped around each element in HTML is called as a box model, which consists of content, padding, border, and margin.
Does it difference between block and inline elements?
Well, block element take entire width in and inline and block element always start with new line, and in inline will take only the necessary space for the content, and
Okay,
is
how do you convert an inline element into a block element?
we can is display block.
What is the difference between class and ID attribute?
uh, ID can only be one. There cannot be ID is a unique. There cannot be more than one ID, but we can have class as many as we want.
That is all I had for you. Do you have any questions for me?
No, sir.
Thank you so much for your time.
Okay, thank you.